Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Quantum Wave Forex Trading. Let me try that again. Quantum Wave Forex Trading. That's better. Okay, so as we can see down here, 4 out of the 5 trades are all going positive, going our way. That's a pretty good sign. I would say it proves the effectiveness of quantum trading. And today we're going to move on and look at, what is it? USD AUD, US dollar, Australian dollar. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this. Okay, and let's find that USD AUD. What? No, nothing coming up. AUD USD. Okay, I knew that. Haha. And let's start with our fabulous wave one. All of this doesn't matter. That was one wave which ended this big uptrend. So we're in a current downtrend on that AUD compared to US dollar. So let's chart our wave one, starting with this high right there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It just happens to touch all the same tops on the way down. Coincidence, my oh my. Okay, and let's do our 3 pixel bright yellow. There we go. Okay, and duplicate. Let's find that. Look at that. What a coincidence again. Touch, touch, touch. Oh, following that trend there. Sort of going right along that trend line. And, well, it probably readjusted here. Or maybe it's following a wave 2 at that point. Oh, look at that. Once again, just touched right there and here. What a coincidence. One more. Let's have that. Again, right there. How is that possible? We're following that exact trend down here, kind of through the middle. So let's readjust this down to there. So it was true here, but further along, it's shifted to right here. And we're in the zone. We can see here it's bouncing. Let's tighten that in. That's the outer rim. Actually, we can ignore this. Let's bring that one up and track this sort of inner zone where it's kind of ping-ponging on its way down. Okay. And so what would be our wave 2? Let's zoom in and figure out our wave 2. Maybe it's an uptrend like that. Let's go to the 1-day chart and figure this out here. Excuse me. I just ate a grape and it's sticking in my throat and making me cough. Okay. So is this a wave 2 here? Possibly. If we ignore that sharp point, bring it more into there. Well, pretty close. We'll check that for further validation, shall we? Let's go here, make it blue, 3 picks, okay. Duplicate that. Well, not bad, a couple of hits there. Resistance there. Maybe we're onto something here. What about that? No, definitely not that. Yeah, again, kind of support, resistance. It's possible. And we have this movement going right through, the zigzagging over the line. Same here, the zigzag, and then the breakthrough, as we've discussed in the past. So strong potential wave 2 here. Didn't quite reach, but you know, it's pretty close. It tried, but didn't make it. Now, if this is our wave 2, then we're definitely bouncing up the bottom here and on the way up, probably to this point where we would have convergence right there. So that will be our target. Our wave 3 would be this little patch there. Let's just go to the hour chart and check that out. Check out this little uptrend right here. Trend line segment. This current uptrend. Possibly. Okay, there we are. And wave 3 is our turquoise 3 fix. And if you haven't done so already, do us a favor. You know what I'm going to ask. Hit that subscribe and get the notifications every time a new video is uploaded. You've heard the spiel. Oh, okay. Whoops. Just lost track of stuff here. So, not quite. So let's read. Well, we got that. Yeah, maybe that is actually okay. Yeah, we got several tops there. We've got this, so that extending right to there. Yeah. Okay, so definite possible likely wave 3 here. We've got that. Oh, we've got kind of that, like resistance there, support. Now there's the question. So likely it's bounced here. Well, it did pass through though. We haven't got the zigzag. It hit and bounced. If it passed through and went up, then we would know it's going all the way, but it didn't pass through. It actually just bounced like it did here. So that would indicate more likely it's just going to keep going up. So we're going to be in a buy situation here. Let's get back to our day chart now. And figure this out here. Okay. Are we getting skewed? There we are. That's better. Okay, so back to our targets. Horizontal line. So we were talking about this wave 2 convergence here. Let's just bring it inside. Nice, comfortable range there. Make that our green because that is our target. We are looking to hit on a buy here. Okay. And let us set now our stop line, horizontal line. And our stop would be outside the wave 3, right about there. Okay. 2 pixels, make that one red. Red for stop. Bada bing, bada boom, there. Okay. And here we are. Did we lose a wave 2? I want to try something out here. What's that? What if we do this? What happens? What if we do that? Well, we've got that. Yeah. Doesn't really tell us much. Okay, so here we are. Definite buy. Okay, up to here at least. Okay, we could probably tighten up that stop. If we zoom in a little more, let's see. Yeah, we would bring that up. Let's so reduce our risk on this. Bring it to that point. I mean, technically, you could have it right outside the wave 3. if you want to really play it safe, like you would go just below this low here, this retracement. So anything which would be right about here outside the wave 3. Why don't we do that? Let's because if it's an uptrend, it's not going to pass beyond this retracement. It's going to generally keep going up. Well, we never know what the market's going to do, but that's more often than not the case. So this will be our stop finish. That's a decent risk reward ratio. And let's reduce that. And so AUD USD, where are you? Here. Market buy 2000. Add our take profit at, and excuse me once again while I put on my reading glasses to get a good look, and sorry if I get too close to the camera as well. Now that weird 6 that looks like an 8, 6889, okay, 0.6889. Oh, that Aussie dollar is pretty low to the US, but not as bad as the Canadian. So, thank you, Justin Trudeau. 0.6424. There we go. Stop loss. Place order. And confirm. There we go. Boom. In place. All right. And yeah. All right. So yes, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 positive trades, 1 negative trade. We're still waiting for that one to turn around. So yeah, time will tell. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in. That's it for today. And we will see you tomorrow. All right, have a good night.